Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Windows Registry with Regedit export for safety step by step clearly. To backup your Windows Registry using Regedit, first, press the Windows key and the R key simultaneously. This will open the Run dialog box. Type Regedit into the Run dialog and hit Enter. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes to proceed. The Registry Editor will open, displaying a tree structure of your registry keys. Before you make any changes, it's important to create a backup. Click on File in the top menu of the Registry Editor. From the drop-down menu, select Export. A dialog box will appear, asking you where to save the backup file. Choose a location that is easy to remember, such as your desktop or Documents folder. In the File Name field, type a name for your backup file. Make sure the export range option is set to all. This ensures that the entire registry will be backed up. Click on the Save button to initiate the export process. The Registry Editor will then create a .reg file containing your backup. Once completed, navigate to the location where you saved the file to ensure it is there. That's it. You have successfully backed up your Windows Registry. You can now close the Registry Editor at any time. This backup can be used later to restore your registry settings, if necessary. Always remember to back up your registry before making any changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.